How to laminate your old and existing sandwich panels using Hygibreak. These are the tools you're going to need. Step 1 is to move your sandwich panel to a flat working surface, and you need to remove any sort of protective film that is on the sandwich panel. Dry fit the Hygibreak on top of the sandwich panel, ensuring that the length of the Hygibreak and the length of the sandwich panel match, and that the corners are also matching. Using an alcohol solution, thoroughly wipe down the surface of the sandwich panel. Once the surface is clean, place the Hygibreak back on top of the sandwich panel and start by peeling the corner of the Hygibreak, aligning it with the corner of the sandwich panel. Continue removing the release liner along the top edge of the Hygibreak, aligning it with the sandwich panel, and ensure it is completely adhered to the sandwich panel. Continue removing the release liner from the back of the Hygibreak, working your way down the surface of the sandwich panel, ensuring good bonding by firmly rolling the surface. Finally, roll all the edges of the Hygibreak on the sandwich panel, ensuring there is no areas that are poorly bonded. And just like that, you've given your old sandwich panel a new hygienic finish.